Meta is killing NFT support on Facebook and Instagram.
I didn't even know that they had NFTs.
Everybody was trying to get in on it, right? Weren't they?
Yeah, the craze.
Weren't they? You remember this stuff?
Uh-huh.
NFTs, man. People were so bored. It was gambling. It was sports gambling. It was crypto. It was NFTs. It was, I don't know, booming. All types of stuff. Collectibles as well. Even actual cards and auctions and art. It was all types of things at that point in time. You're just sitting at home. Everything's closed. You're like, I'm a collector.
Yeah.
I'm collecting. Pokemon. Or as you like to say, Pokemon. Pokemon.
Okay, well.
How do you like to say it? Just remind me.
Isn't it Pokemon?
Easy, bro. Pokey. You know what? I was never into it, so I'm the wrong guy to ask. I was never into it, never into the Game Boys and stuff.
Yeah, you missed that train. Not to say that was good or bad.
Well, I mean, more recently, the Pokemon Go.
Okay, yeah.
Right? Everyone was loving that.
Uh-huh.
I never got into it.
Yeah. Just standing in the middle of the park on their phone.
You got all the little guys.
Uh-huh.
You got to catch them.
Yeah, it was crazy. What a time.
Meta is winding down its support for NFTs on Facebook and Instagram less than a year after its push to adopt digital collectibles across its platform. The update comes as the social network has laid off thousands of workers and shuttered numerous projects amid what Mark Zuckerberg has described as the company's year of efficiency. He comes in, I declare this the year of efficiency. If a government did that, like that sounds like in a science fiction film, a bunch of people are about to die.
Yeah. It's like a cleansing.
It will be a year of... I'm in Dune again. This will be a year of efficiency. Star Wars, and you're like, oh my God. He's talking about killing millions of people.
Oh.
This year, we will look for efficiencies. Terrifying. You're dead. You hear that guy talking like that, and he's got a huge robe on, guaranteed. Huge robe, huge chair. A lot of little workers around.
Yeah.
Buzzing around. And he's been thinking about it for a long time, kind of just tapping. He maybe has a cane or something. And some big hat. And you're dead.
Uh-huh. A big hat. Okay. I'm trying to picture it.
I don't know. I just kept adding to it. I was like, what am I missing?
Yeah.
Maybe a mustache.
A robe.
Robe was the first thing I said.
Oh, okay.
How dare you? The robe is...
Nothing's under the robe, though.
The robe is non-negotiable. Once you start killing people, once you start looking for efficiencies, like I imagine if Zuckerberg started arriving to work in a robe, a big red robe.
With the trail?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
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 Nothing's underneath?
Nope.
Okay.
That's right.
And he's bald.
More people should do that. Like, never mind the current corporate look, which is like, I don't know, I guess us.
Suit?
No, it's like more like Silicon Valley is more like
casual.
us. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, wear whatever you want. Yeah.
They should be more godlike.
We're also relaxed because we were just like, it's so much cooler to work here because like we're not like those other guys because you can tell that we're kind of younger and cooler. And hey, man, what are you listening to? What are you listening to right now? Sick. Yeah. Man. I've been thinking about taking some time off, I'll come back eventually.
It's like, can I get a time frame, though?
I got to figure some things out, right?
Because we still have a lot of...
No, man, the
funds.
grind is really getting to me. I'm like losing myself here.
But you're the only developer.
That's no good for anyone, really.
We just raised $200 million.
So forget about that. Well, here's what it has to be. It has to be like, dun, 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 dun. The dude shows up, Zuckerberg, but he's heavier.
He's barefoot.
Barefoot, huge robe. He's heavier.
Does he have a cane?
He's heavier. He's got to get heavier.
Like in the face or the
all
stomach?
around,
Okay.
all around, all around.
More girthy.
Yep.
Okay. Does he have a staff?
Yes.
Like
he could. And then and he arrives and he speaks in like cryptic terms, and everyone's like, God, I don't know. Imagine how quickly those hoodies would change. Imagine how quickly everybody'd be like, down, dude. If I don't know what's gonna happen, dude. You want to order pizza or what?
Who's closest to that? Kanye? Is he close to that? He's more like God-like in his mind.
He kind of went that direction, but the thing is, he's not committed enough in the sense that he's kind of more, he gets bored of something quickly, right? And then goes completely the other way with it. And then all of a sudden it's like robes turn into leather jackets. And, you know what I'm saying? It goes.
This is
No, the
I
one
would be scared if I was
bottom
his
left,
employee.
bottom left, right there. Yeah, see what I mean?
I would be terrified if I was in his company.
No, I know.
And he walks in like
I
this.
know, but you can do it. You have to commit. Is my point. You can't be all over the place. Otherwise, people will be like, "Oh, that's just what they started to do to him." They started to not listen to or discredit all kinds of things because it was too sporadic. You got to commit. If you've done it, if it has become part of the fabric, and it's happened for a long period of time, that's when it starts to look terrifying. You know, when I'm watching Dune and I'm seeing these outfits and stuff, I'm like, oh man, these guys been dressing like this for 100 years.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, I don't want these guys. These guys are the more kind of desert types. I want the other family in Dune. You know that. Yeah, these are the guys. Yes, this is my guy, dude. Come on. You're going to tell him about your vacation? Is that what you're going to do? You're going to tell him that you need to find yourself.
Yeah.
You're going to say, I need to take some time off.
And you want to be that guy?
That's right.
Okay.
I was actually meaning that Zuckerberg could be that guy, but
oh yeah, Zuck.
I think you're going to need a minimum of like 400 or 500 employees before you can do that.
Yeah, like an empire, really.
Yeah.
A Facebook empire.
That's right. I think Zuckerberg just forgets about trying to hide it and goes and fully goes that direction. He stops trying to hide it and he just becomes, what are they called? Those what is that? The house of what? Remind me, the guy we just looked at?
Oh God.
No.
Is it
Stop it. Harkonnen. House Harkonnen.
Yeah.
I think he goes full on House Harkonnen inside of Meta. Give me that one down there. Give me that one. No. To the right. Bottom right corner. Yep. That's Zuckerberg in the future, okay? Can we agree, Will?
All right.
That's what I want out of my Zuckerberg. Just admit it. You know what I mean?
No, I hear you.
Just lean into it.
Gotcha.
Everybody's playing a role anyways. Mm-hmm. You notice how they're all saving the world?
Yeah.
Everybody's saving the world. That dude was not saving the world. But at least he was honest about it.
Well, he bathed in black tar.
That's right. At least he was honest. Can't take that away from him.
Yeah. He likes the tar, this one.
He's like, I will take your resources. And you're like, well, at least I know who I'm dealing with. Thank you for announcing that immediately.
It's honest. Yeah.
Thank you for announcing that immediately.
Yeah.
Not coming in saying you're here to liberate, you're here to save the world, and then next thing you know, I'm at the bottom of a ditch. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, at least.
So dark.
Well, I mean, did you see the movie Dune?
But honest. I don't mind that.
There you go.
You know? Tangent City.
What? What is Tangent City? That's the whole point of the show, Will. If you're just figuring that out now.
No,
You know how many shows are out there? You know how many places you can go? But whatever we were just doing, there's only one place you can go. Right here. That's it.